Oh, hey guys, welcome to the shop. My name is Brad. This is Bo Woodcraft, and we are full swing planter season. And if you're doing planters, and if you're like me, you've got a bunch of cut-off scraps. And so we're going to take those cut-off scraps and we're going to make this unique little planter. So you just a couple of little 4-inch terracotta pots that you can get at any big box store, and just these 4 little pieces of scrap. So let's get to work. All right, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut this piece for the top, and it's right at 11 inches. So I'm going to come over here to my piece of scrap. I'm going to mark 11 inches, and we're going to take that right over to the miter saw. All right, so at the miter saw, we're going to mark that at 11 inches. And we're going to make that cut. All right, there's that one at 11 inches. Now, this piece is going to be our legs, and we are just going to cut those to just under 4 inches. I'm going to go ahead and make these 4 inches. So we're going to cut a total of 8 inches on this piece. So I'm going to lay that over here. I'm going to handy dandy mark. Right to 8 inches. And make our cut. All right. So now, next thing we need to do is cut these 2 pieces down to 9 inches. And these are 1 1/8 inches. If you're making cedar planters, you know you need these for the legs. So I got plenty of these little scraps laying around. So I'm just going to cut these right at 9 inches. Mark that right up to there. Cut them both at once. All right. So that's our little pile of pieces. Now we're going to find the center on this piece, and we're going to drill a 3.5-inch hole. All right, so what we need to do is we need to find the center on this piece. And so to do that, I'm just going to mark crossed from each corner. Make a mark towards the middle. Cross each corner. Make a mark in the middle. And where that X is at, that's the center of our board. I'm going to go ahead and punch that and get it drilled. First thing you want to do is drill about halfway through on the first side, and take it slow because big bits like this will choose violence every time. And you want to flip it over. Go ahead and finish the hole. There's your piece. All right, now we're going to take this piece back over to the miter saw, and I'm going to set my mark at 4 inches. We're going to make a cut right down the middle. All right, so there's our pieces for the legs. We're going to set these aside. And now we need to drill 2 holes in this one. And so I'm going to take my little pots, and I'm going to make sure they have space between them. About there. And I'm going to measure this in and see where we are. So I'm going to move this over to about 3.5. So we're going to come in 3.5 on each side. And then we're going to find the center of our picket, which is, the picket's 5.5. This one's so that will be 2 3/4. That's our middle for that hole. My punch broke. Yeah. Sometimes you find good stuff on Amazon. A lot of times you find punches like this. It works half the time. All right, so let's go ahead and drill 2 holes right here. Put our piece of work in the vise. Clamp it down good. And grab our bit of violence. There. Come on. See? Violence every time. All right, make sure we have room for our pots that work. Hey, look at that. All right, now we're going to mark over 1 inch from each end, and that is where our legs are going to line up. So I'm going to come in here, go 1 inch, spin that around, mark 1 inch, and we're going to square that across. All right, I'm going to take a little glue here. We're going to put a line of glue. I'm just going to go ahead and put a line right down both sides. We're going to take our legs, and this picket has a little cup to it. So I'm just going to kind of center the ends, or line the ends up to the mark, and the middle is just going to kind of float out there. I'm going to put a brad on each side of that, and then put one right in the middle. And we'll do the same thing on this side. And then we kind of want to make some support for that. That's what these little pieces are here. So we're going to put some glue on the ends, down the side, just like that. Slide that into place. I'm just going to line that right up with the edge. Put one in the end on each side. One right in the middle. And we'll do that on the other side now. Add your pots, and there you go. Just a cute little planter that you can use some scrap wood, and you can pop these out really quickly. and super easy, and you can make them as gifts, or you can probably get, I don't know, 10 bucks out of them. So another way to make some profit off your scrap wood. Hey, if you like the content you're seeing on here, please like, subscribe, and share it. Drop me a comment, let me know what you think, and don't forget to get out in your shop, go make something cool. We'll catch you next time.